We are often asked, how can such a small device be effective against the power of a lightning strike? To answer that question, MTL enlisted the help of the High Voltage Laboratory of Ontario Hydro in Canada. This is one of the few laboratories in the world with the capability to simulate a lightning strike. To be as realistic as possible, we arranged for lightning to strike a functioning process loop, fully protected by MTL surge protectors, of course. Here's the actual hardware used in the experiment. A temperature transmitter protected by a surge protector is connected to a remote I/O via a 4 to 20 milliamp loop. The remote I/O is fully surge protected at both the 4 to 20 milliamp loop and at the AC power input. During the entire test, a laptop computer is used to display the operation of our temperature process loop. Let's look at the laboratory. This is the high voltage equipment needed to generate a 1 million volt lightning strike. Looking very small in comparison, you can see the temperature transmitter with the TP48 surge protector attached. This is the 4 to 20 milliamp loop that connects the transmitter back to the remote I/O. In an adjacent room, we have the remote I/O, again fully surge protected, powered and operational. Back in the laboratory, the lightning generator is being charged. A high-speed still camera shows the lightning strike in greater detail. The test was continued for a total of 5 strikes to the surge-protected transmitter. Returning to the control room, not only is our remote I/O fully functional, but the 4 to 20 milliamp loop is intact. And even more amazing, the temperature transmitter continues to operate perfectly. This entire test was independently witnessed and videotaped by the High Voltage Laboratory's resident professional engineer, Jody Levine. Now that is what you might call big protection in a small package. I call it definitive proof that these products can increase the reliability and availability of your process. But this would be very expensive. We all know that some risks have such a low probability that the cost of insurance outweighs the benefit. This is where MTL can help. With 30 years experience in surge protection for process plants, MTL can help identify the vulnerable areas in your process. The result? A significant increase in reliability. Improved plant availability. Dramatically lower risk of a major plant failure during a lightning storm. Ongoing cost savings for the life of your plant. So, more reliability, more plant availability, and surge return on investment approval guaranteed. To get started now or to learn more about MTL Surge Technologies and our fabulous products, you have 3 immediate options. Contact an MTL office closest to you, or click the link to the main MTLsurge.com website, or email us at inquiry@mtlsurge.com.